Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you today with a apartment tour, a very requested video. I am going to be moving soon, so I wanted to go ahead and get this apartment tour filmed for you guys. Come into our apartment, you're going to be seeing our long hallway. We actually just placed a few things on the wall right here. We have a blue shelf that is really nice. We got from Ross that holds our keys and has picture frames, things like that on top. We also have this gold sparkly sign that says follow your dreams. So right here we have like our just pantry with all our dry foods in it, stuff like that. Then you have our fridge, we got all our food, plenty of space in here, blah blah blah. On our fridge we keep a dry erase board where we can write messages and stuff like that. And we got a few magnets, pictures, things like that. We have over here we have this Keurig, some vitamins, knife, paper towel holder, things like that. On this counter, and we have these really tall cabinets that go like all the way up to the top. So we have those, and then our stove, of course. This little teapot usually stay on our stove for the most part. We have over here, we got like our blender, some canisters, stuff like that for flour, sugar. Basic cooking stuff, mostly basic cooking junk. So we have our initial here on the wall for, this is like a little DIY project I did. It was really inexpensive actually. I got this L from the Goodwill, and this was an old frame we had. And I basically just spray painted the frame black and spray painted the L gold and kind of arranged it on the wall. And I like the way that it looked. I think that I'd be on Pinterest. And we also had another picture that fell down. Anyways, we have our fruit basket over here, a candle warmer, an aloe vera plant, and this frame that we've had since our very first apartment with our pictures in it. It's pictures of us from like when we first started dating. We need to update some of these, but up until like what that point was when we picked this up, this is a really cute frame. It says a true love story never ends. I want to update some of our pictures and put some of our newer pictures in there. We have really nice granite countertops. Our sink, we have the double sinks with the really big arch sink thingy. Cabinet space, more cabinet space over here. Our dishwasher's here, and just like a junk drawer now. Comment down below if everybody have a junk drawer. I know most people have a junk drawer in their house, and this is ours. So some type of junk drawer and more cabinet space for dishes and things like that. Like transitioning from our hallway and kitchen area, we have this small wall here where I placed a bookshelf with our initials on it. Me and my husband's initials, a little art figurine that's really cool that twists. My husband picked this out. He's really proud of it. Look at it. He's proud of it. But we have this drawing of us that we got done at the fair. It's on the wall, and just pretty much random things on our bookshelf, a few books, some pictures, things like that. We also have over here a basket where we keep our throw blankets, some photo books and things like that over here in the corner, and it looks really nice and neat over there. So now you see our bar area. We have these bar stools that I picked out off of Wayfair. They're just white bar stools. They're adjustable. They can be either counter height or bar height. So we got them at our bar height right now. Over here we have a room divider that I just had propped up against the wall. Fake plant. You can't go wrong with a fake plant in your house. This one is pretty nice. And just keep these here for a little bit of situation going on. Now looking at our living room with our L-shaped sectional. We actually got this from Value City a few years ago, and it comes with a matching ottoman, really nice sofa. We got this gray rug right here from Home Goods, really nice, real furry rug that I got there. It's about a 5x7 rug. Also, we have these paintings on the wall that are really good steel. We got those from Ross for I think about $29.99 each. So we just basically picked the two paintings and like situated them in a design that we thought was cute. Put it on the wall. It matches the gray, black, and white perfect. As far as pillows go, I think let's see if I can remember where I got all these from. These white furry ones, they came from Ross. These black ones came from the At Home store. And if I'm not mistaken, this gray furry rug with the sequins in it, it also came from Ross. So over here we have a side table that I got from Value City as well with the sectional. It's just a gray faux wood side table. Over here I want to keep this very clean, very simple. So I just have a picture frame with me and my mom in it, a Buddha statue, and this lamp that I picked out from TJ Maxx. Really nice, and I think it was about maybe $30. It wasn't expensive at all. So that's it, and the humidifier I usually keep over here as well. That's it, very clean, very simple. I got sheer white curtains hanging up for the window. I don't really like a lot going on the window. I like to keep it open, airy, things like that. So I went with white sheer curtains in a dark, like bronze color curtain rod. We have this white furry ottoman here that came from TJ Maxx, along with this as well from TJ Maxx, a calendar where we can write all of our bills and things like that on it. We have our TV stand that we got from Wayfair. Really modern, really nice. I like to go with the white to keep it all nice and modern in the living room area. Keep the black, white, gray thing going. Pop of color base. It's green and gold. Got this from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and it is pretty nice. Give you a good pop of color. Over here, if you come in, it's just a small hallway that we have, and I placed this big full body mirror here. This mirror is actually from Kirkland's, and then a vase with some flowery situations going on right here for a pop, little pop, you know. Bathroom, it is pretty decent size, not too big, not too small. We have marble countertops in here as well. On the counters, I don't really like to put a lot of stuff on the counters, but we have like some essentials, some perfumes or colognes, and toothbrush, toothpaste, lotions, things like that. As far as decorations, I went with greenery because I love greenery. We went in with this green flower plant, and it is from TJ Maxx, I believe. We have this booklet here with daily quotes. It's called Living the Love Dare. This book, I swear by, I give it to all of my friends because it's just a really good motivation for married couples to read in the morning. Over here we have some paper towels for washing your hands and the traditional toilet, you know. We have this mirror, or not mirror, we have this clock hanging above the toilet. This clock, I believe, came from JCPenney. If I'm not mistaken, I've had it for a very long time, but I want to say I got it from JCPenney. And some pink flowers for a pop of color. We went with our same gray and white shower curtain. Really nice, really clean. I love this shower curtain. I've had it for a while. We have two pieces of art on our wall. We have one plaque that says "Wish" with it crossed out. You do. And we also have a paper frame piece that my husband picked up from the website. So support Black businesses, you know. So, and now you have our bedroom. We have a king size bed in here. We went with a tan color king size bed with a white bedspread. Really nice, really clean looking. I love pillows, so we have plenty of pillows on our bed. We went with these big furry nice white pillows that matches really good with the beige tan of our bed. Up top we have these pictures that we got from Ross. They are white, gray, and gold. Really nice, matches really well with the room. Those are a really good deal too. I think they were like only $12.99 each. We got gray curtains hanging now. I'm not crazy about these curtains, so I may be changing them in our new place, but for now we have these gray curtains hanging. So here we have our dresser and our TV, and our last little piece. And our newest addition to our room is this blush pink ottoman that we got from Ross. It's really nice, and I use it in the morning. You can sit on it, you can put your shoes on, things like that. It's really nice. So this concludes our apartment tour. We are so glad to get this video filmed and out the way. My husband has been helping me to record this video all day, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and have a good day.